Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Raksha Patel and I make art videos. So I'm beginning with a series called All About Mandala, where I'll be uploading every possible information that I have or I can gather related to mandalas. And if you're someone who's not interested in this type of content, which is majority of my audience I guess, you'll still probably like it because you can see me whine, roast, crib, and all of that sorts of literally comedy stuff happening. And yeah, that's all about it. So without further ado, let's just begin our first episode. So since this is the first episode, it's just going to be a brief introduction about mandalas, and I will be putting a time lapse of my recent one over here, and I might move to one of the corners, obviously because you do not have to see my face the entire time. Also, I stick to my art aspect of my videos. So yeah, the first question that comes to mind is, what is a mandala? So mandala is actually derived from the Sanskrit word called mandal, and it literally means a circle. In Eastern religions of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Shintoism, it is used as a map representing deities or gods, and mandalas are believed to represent different aspects of the universe and are used as instruments of meditation and symbols of healing and prayer. Now, mandalas can be understood in two ways, internally and externally. Externally, they can be seen as the representation of the entire universe or the cosmos, and internally, it is used as a guide for spiritual healing and meditation and several other practices in the Asian culture. So, in Hinduism and Buddhism, it is believed that by entering into a mandala and by moving into its center, you are guided through a cosmic process of transforming the universe of suffering and pain into the one of joy and happiness. Really? According to an internet source, in the new age, mandala is a diagram, chart, or a geometric pattern which represents the cosmos, that is, the universe as a complex system or an entity. And originally, okay, it is meant to represent wholeness, and it is a model for organizational structure of life itself. It's a cosmic diagram that shows the relation to the infinite and the world beyond that extends infinity and within the mind and body. No, please, no. In today's world, mandala is just another form of artwork where artists keep on mixing and matching and adding patterns and designs and adding whatnot, coloring it, doing everything, and basically exploiting the shit out of the original meaning. That is what a mandala is in today's world, and that's all you have to know. So just a disclaimer, by no means do I wish to disrespect any religion or any culture. I myself am a Hindu and I do kind of follow it. You can see that. And yeah, so that's the point of my entire video, that it's not necessary that whatever you see, whatever mandalas you see need to have a meaning. In today's world, we just make it because we want, it to be therapeutic for us. At least that's what it is for me. I feel that making those patterns and designs over and over again and looking at the end how beautiful it turns out just gives me another sort of happiness. So I think indirectly the original meaning does serve its purpose when it comes to like a personal level, because I do feel happy when I make a mandala, and it's not the same when it comes to others' artwork. Like when I see somebody else's, it's definitely pretty, it's definitely beautiful, but I do not feel like happy. And yeah, that's why I love making mandalas. Also because I suck at other type of artwork, I guess. A big thank you to everybody who made it till the end of the video. I do appreciate you sticking around. The next episode is going to be about the different types of mandalas. So if you do not want to miss that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching it. And I would also like you to comment down below if you enjoy such videos more, or would you just prefer the regular tutorial ones, because those kind of get boring at some point, I feel, and this are comparatively much more fun and much more engaging. You guys would probably enjoy such videos more, so just let me know. And yeah, till then, bye.